I'm here with some wild rice and my Dash mini rice cooker. Let's see if we could cook this wild rice in this mini rice cooker. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. A while ago, I read a comment from a viewer who was asking me about cooking wild rice in this Dash mini rice cooker. And I had never done that before, so I figured let me go buy some wild rice and let's give this a try. If you've never seen wild rice before, this is what it looks like. It has a very dark color and it looks like really, really long grain rice. However, it is not truly a rice, it's more of a grain. And this is actually a food that several Native American tribes ate hundreds of years ago. So I have about 2/3 of a cup of this wild rice. I purchased this wild rice at a local organic market who sells it in bulk, but I do believe you could also buy it in some supermarkets. The first thing I'm going to do is rinse off this wild rice. I just added it to the rice cooker and you can't even see it because it's like dark on dark. And the water to rice ratio is 2:1, so I'm going to put 2 parts water in for 1 part of rice. And I measured the rice with this juice glass, so I'm going to put 2 of these full of water into the rice cooker. Okay, that brings us right up to the maximum line. Let's put the top on. And I just plugged this in, so let's turn this to cook. Now, this wild rice is supposed to take quite a while to cook. They say from 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to set a timer for a half hour so I could check on it at that point, make sure there's enough water in it, and we'll proceed from there. It's been a half hour now, so let's just see what's going on in here. I just want to stir this around. It looks like there's like a little bit of cooking going on in here, but there's a long ways to go. So I'm just going to let this continue to cook. Let's check on this wild rice to see what's going on here. So it looks like it might almost be ready. It's still on cook. The rice cooker has not clicked off yet. I just want to taste some of this. I think it's done, but I'm just going to let this continue to cook until it clicks off to warm. If you've never had wild rice before, when it's cooked, it's soft, but it's also chewy. And it kind of has like a nutty flavor to it. The wild rice is now done. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it was a perfect amount for this Dash mini rice cooker. This looks really good. I'm going to taste it again. Excellent. And it came out great. So if you'd like to make some wild rice in this Dash mini rice cooker, the ratio of water to rice is 2 parts water to 1 part rice. So if you're going to use the plastic cup that comes with this, use 2 cups full of water for 1 cup of rice. And now you can enjoy this wild rice as part of a meal, part of a side dish, part of a salad. There are many different uses for it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.